Welcome. In this video you'll learn how to use the interface of Bitergia Analytics platform and find your way among its options. By following this explanation, you'll distinguish blocks and sections and make sense of the different roles they play in their interaction. The interface is made of different sections. What you see on top is the user menu that holds and classifies all the content of the site. And this content is classified in drop-down menus. Usually you see an overview, then one or several classifications related to the data source used, and then you might see some panels related to specific topics. In this case we see community. You might also see performance or any other topic. Then a standard one for data status and about, and then access to the online help and some features related to the user. This user menu is configurable from the user interface, but that will be explained in another video. The next section is a bar that holds a set of features and possibilities to work with dashboards. You see on the left the hamburger menu, that is a drop-down menu where you will see several possibilities grouped, and some other possibilities on the right hand side, some buttons. Everything in this section is related to manipulation and usage of the dashboards themselves. The third section is related to searches and filters. So what we have there is a text box first, where we can introduce searches and queries in a specific syntax. Then on the right hand side we have the time picker and a button to refresh the dashboards. And then below that we have a list of applied filters that we can manipulate, and the option to add new filters, which would span a panel where you can define your own filters. And finally, the main area is used to display the dashboards. Continue to the next lesson and learn specifics on how to use the platform. Thanks for watching.